This is the hip airplane exercise. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get into a hinge like this. You're gonna bring your hip down, and then you're gonna rotate the top hip up. You're gonna go ahead and bring it down and up. So from the front, it looks like this. If I bring this hip down, I will get my sternum on top of this knee. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rotate out this way. If you're more advanced, you can do it balancing on one leg. You would just go down here, all the way just on top of this leg. My glute on the left is working, and I come back out. Torso straight, down, and back out. Another way to do it is to hold on to something for balance. If I drop my left hip down, I'm getting a little bit of stretch into this right hip, this right glute here, and then I'm going to come up. And come up.